Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making a peach cobbler dump cake. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. So here we have everything that we will need to make our dump cake. We have butter golden Duncan Hines cake mix, a 29-ounce can of sliced peaches and heavy syrup. We'll be using some ground cinnamon, cornstarch, unsalted butter. We'll be using vanilla extract, and also not pictured, we are going to use a little brown sugar. So let me go ahead and open my can of peaches, grab my pan, and we can get started. This is the dish that we are going to use to make the dump cake. I'm going to start by pouring the peach syrup into the dish. It doesn't have to be all of it, just most of it. So to this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Just a little more. I'm going to add about a half tablespoon of cornstarch. That is going to be the thickening agent. So I'm going to whisk this together. Try to break up the lumps of the cornstarch a little bit. So to this, I am going to add a little cinnamon. Not too much, because I am going to add some on top as well. Just a couple dashes. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the peaches. Let me spread these out a bit. So now I'm going to open the cake mix, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top of this. I'm not gonna use this whole bag because I'm not making a big batch of this. Now I'm just going to kind of level this out. All right, so now I'm going to go in with some more ground cinnamon, and I'm just going to cover the top. So now I'm going to go in with about a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar. So here we have our brown sugar. I'm just going to scoop it in my hand so I can grab it and sprinkle it evenly. All right, so let me clean the board up a bit, and then I'll come back to dice the butter and place it on top. So I'm gonna open my first stick of butter. I'm not sure exactly how many I'll need. I do have 2 sticks out, but I'm just going to slice it thinly and cover the entire top of our pan with the butter. We'll be using a total of 1½ sticks of unsalted butter. So this is what we look like. Again, the oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to place this inside for about 45 minutes to an hour. As I need to adjust that time, I will. And as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove it. So here we are after 1 hour, 10 minutes in the oven. Y'all, it smells so good. We're gonna let this hang out and cool off just a bit, and then we'll be back to finish up. All right, so now we are going to plate. We're gonna top with a little vanilla ice cream. And because I have a little caramel syrup, why not, right? All right, let me bring you guys in for a closer shot. We have made it to the end of the video. Here we have our finished product, our peach cobbler dump cake. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.